Again, if you pack the paint, you gotta close out on shooters.
Third quarter underway. Kobe Monje finds himself open underneath. He scores.
Every time, kung meron, papasahan nila yung libreng teammate na yun. Good move by MJ Hoson. Good feed and a good knockdown shot.
Turnaround jumper. Marquez inside. Nobody contesting that shot. That's just too easy for Dexter Marquez.
A different Coach JV entered the dugout of Quezon City. Bungad niya his frustrations with how they failed to maintain in responding to the situation, especially with how they entered. Hindi pwedeng easy chances ang binibigay natin sa San Juan, knowing na high caliber ang kalaban natin. Balik sa inyo.
So, tingnan natin kung ma-respond.
Bumaba at subukan makascore habang hindi pa nakasetup ang depensa ng San Juan Knights.
So palaksak si Alarcon. Ginulong paloob. Kissing it off the glass and in. Monje, one-legged floater is up. No good. Wekute nagmamadali. Spins away from Kobe Monje.
Oh, man.
Able to lay it up and in.
He just very quickly got into the middle.
Agoncillo comes back the other way with a layup. Sizing up the defense of Harold Alarcon. Canoy drives, getting past James Quecote, and this time he finishes. In the third, Quecote nakawala kay Agoncillo, pasa kay Marquez, the shot fake, got Monje up in the air, and he will score underneath. Publico off the dribble. Monje, the hesitation, sidestep, lefty finish from Kobe Monje at the line.
Nice.
Panganiban able to cut and score. Wamar drives baseline, lobs it up. Panganiban in stride, nothing but net on a trifecta.
By Orlan Wamar.
Jokno with a runner off the glass.
At saka maganda yung shot making nila kahit pa paano. Mahirap yung mga tira actually ng Quezon City inside the paint. Hindi ganun kadalian. Pero they are still finding a way to make it. And this offense is really stretched.
Phillips providing a screen.
Watch out for Mike.
Better defense that time around by Quezon City, but they throw it away. Oson. Pass inside. Jokno off the glass.